Hi, today I'm going to talk about my trip to San Andres. But first, I introduce myself. I am Jose David Pavon Fernandez. I am 35 years old. In the photo, my beautiful daughter appeared with me. She is 8 years old. She lives in Bogota. I live in Villavicencio Meta with my wife. She is from the Eastern Pines. She likes animals, horse, and cattle. She is very beautiful. Now I'm going to talk about my trip to San Andres Island. I traveled to San Andres Island in December 2017. My wife and I went with her parents. In December is very rainy. When I was there, they said that the best months to travel to San Andres are March, April, and May. Since during these months you can enjoy the island, but it also corresponds to the dry season months, and it is also low season for tourists. But the same, if it is on any other date of the years, you can enjoy the island too. Uh, every traveler who wants to visit the island, regardless of nationality, has to pay to the tourist card to enter San Andres Island. Its value is one 109,000 pesos cop. You must save the voucher as this will the order when leaving the island. The recommendation that people use sunscreen is necessary that they wear shows when they visit the corals. It's important that they stay in the center of the city in the one to trade nearby to save on transport. It's essential that wears swim suits. It's better that families take an all-inclusive plan. Definitely, the best place to spend vacation should be place that has a beach because on this site you should relax. Thank you.